Hey there everybody, it's Tim from Full Spectrum Laser. Did you know that you can add full spectrum stickers to your Instagram photos? Just open Instagram, go to your story, then take a picture of your project. Now we can add some stickers. Press the sticker icon and search for Full Spectrum, all one word. Make sure you spell it right. Let's add the Made with FSL sticker so people know we made it with a full spectrum laser. And maybe we want Walker reacting to it. Oh, and I guess I can react to it too, yeah. Okay, it's getting a little crowded now. You can barely see the... Oh, for crying out loud. Well, there you go. That's how you put FSL stickers on your Instagram photos. Just don't overdo it.